In this video, we want to work on delete functionality to remove any item from our shopping cart. If we switch back to the application while it is running, and if we scroll down, we have the anchor tag with the font awesome icon. So here we'll use the tag helper, which is ASP action. We'll call this the remove action, and we'll use the ASP route ID to pass what is the product ID that needs to be removed from our shopping cart. So right here we'll go with the obj dot, we have the ID here. Whoops, there we go. Once we add it here, if we go back to our cart controller, in here we need to add another action method, which is remove. So we'll go back, we'll copy this name and paste it right here. Along with that, we'll be receiving a product ID right here. Let's go back and make sure it should be the exact name as ID. Then we'll stop the application, and what we want to do is we'll retrieve the shopping cart first thing, and then we'll remove that exact product from our shopping cart. So for that, we can just say shopping cart list dot, we have the remove method here, and here we need to pass an object of the shopping cart that we want to remove. That object we can retrieve from the list, which is shopping cart list dot, we can use first.default to retrieve that object based on the ID. So we can say u goes to u.product_id is equal to the ID. Find that object and remove that from our list. Once you remove that, we need to set our session one more time. So http context.session.set, and we want to set the web constants.session cart with our new list, which is the shopping cart list. Once you do that, we'll redirect back here to the name of, and we'll redirect to the index action for our shopping cart. With this, let's run our application and give this a try. So I'll add a few products to the shopping cart. We'll go there. Right here, let's remove the Holland Stone, and we face an error. Let's see what is the cause here. Let's go to the controller. Oops, it should not be view. It should be return redirect to action. And let's run our application one more time to test that. We'll go to our cart and try to remove one more time, and perfect. You can see you can remove all of the items. If no items are present, I want to display no item exists. So we'll go to the top here, and we can add an if condition, and we'll check if model.count is greater than 0. If this is true, we'll display everything, else we'll just display a paragraph. Please add items to cart. If we save this, go back and refresh, now you should see the custom message that we just entered. Perfect, this is looking great. So with this in place, now all of the deleting of our cart is working. What we want to work on next is the continue button.